Guys, welcome back to Turbanmirchie. So guys, we have a surprise here. It's an amazing kids activity. So let me show it to you. Do try for yourself and your kids at Absolute Barbecues. That's not it. Food is everywhere. But here's where some activities for your little ones.
Very good, Rona. Fast.
So guys, we are at the Wish Grill now at Absolute Barbecues, and if you have a look at it, it's full. We have barbecue chicken, barbecue fish, prawns, bunny, quail, octopus, and a lot of variety. Chicken is just a part of it, but right from the bunny, octopus, and we have tasted it all. Let me show it to you, the Wish Grill also. So a lot of vegetarian options that we have is paneer, mushrooms, corn, carrot, baby corn, and start from it and end from it. The Wish Grill is just your wish. Just moving ahead, we have a lot of live counters placed today. So starting with Pav Bhaji, they also have misal pav. These are the chaat counters that we have, and pani puri.